Picture this, waking up to a home filled with fresh, clean air, vibrant greenery, and a sense of calm that makes every day feel brighter. Your home isn't just a place to live, it's your sanctuary. And what better way to make it healthier and more inviting than with houseplants? These green wonders aren't just decor, they're nature's air purifiers and mood boosters. Today, we're diving into 10 incredible plants that will not only beautify your space, but also transform your home into a healthier, happier haven. Let's get started. 1. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. The peace lily is the ultimate multitasker. This beauty filters toxins like benzene and formaldehyde from the air while increasing indoor humidity, which helps with dry skin and allergies. Its white blooms add a touch of elegance, creating a calming vibe that's perfect for bedrooms or living spaces. 2. Snake plant, Sansevieria. Nicknamed the bedroom plant, the snake plant works overtime at night, converting CO2 into oxygen while you sleep. It's nearly indestructible, thrives in low light, and helps filter toxins like xylene and toluene, making it a low-maintenance health booster for any room. 3. Aloe Vera isn't just for sunburns. This plant is a natural air purifier that absorbs carbon dioxide at night. Plus, it releases oxygen and keeps the air clean, all while providing a soothing gel you can use for minor cuts and burns. A living first aid kit. 4. Spider plant. With its long, arching leaves and adorable spiderettes, the spider plant is a champion air purifier. It removes harmful pollutants like carbon monoxide and formaldehyde and thrives almost anywhere. Bonus, it's pet-friendly too. 5. Boston Fern. Boston ferns are humidity heroes. They're known for filtering out airborne toxins and improving air moisture levels, which makes them ideal for dry climates or homes with air conditioning. Plus, their lush, feathery fronds bring a touch of nature indoors. 6. Areca Palm. Also known as the butterfly palm, this plant is a natural humidifier and toxin remover. It releases moisture into the air, making it perfect for dry environments, while its graceful, arching leaves add a tropical vibe to your home. 7. Rubber plant. With its thick, glossy leaves, the rubber plant is a bold and beautiful air purifier. It absorbs airborne toxins like carbon monoxide and produces plenty of oxygen, helping you breathe easier in style. 8. Golden Pothos. Often called the devil's ivy, this trailing beauty is one of the easiest plants to care for. It filters out toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, and xylene, making it a go-to plant for cleaner, healthier air, even in low light. 9. English ivy, Hedera helix. English ivy is a natural air purifier that's especially effective at reducing mold in your home. Its trailing vines can add a charming touch to shelves or hanging planters while improving air quality in even the stuffiest of spaces. 10. Bamboo palm, Chamaedorea seifrizii. The bamboo palm is a superstar at removing airborne toxins and increasing humidity. Its elegant, tropical appearance is perfect for brightening up any corner, while its air-purifying powers help you create a fresher, healthier living environment. These 10 plants aren't just stunning, they're natural health boosters for your home. So, why not invite a little more green into your life? Your home and your health will thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your favorite plant from the list. Happy planting!